Hey everybody, I'm back again. Going to do a second test of my Evo. Today is Tuesday, June the 26th, 2018. It's about 6:45 in the morning. Where I'm at, I'm in Colorado, so I'm at Mountain Standard Time. Just so you know. You can see it's very, very bright, very, very sunny already. If you look around, it's a bit of a clear sky here. But anyway, this test is going to go on from the first test yesterday. Yesterday, people complained about props in the shots and all that kind of stuff. That's not the meaning of this test, okay? That's not the value of this test. The value of this test is the horizontal plane out there that, you know, where we've had that crooked horizon tilt. And that seems to have been fixed, at least in my estimation from yesterday. So it's early in the morning now instead of late afternoon. The sun is that way, which obviously is east. You're looking at those mountains over there, so you're looking west. I'm trying to keep you out of the sun, just keep me in it. But anyway, I wanted to cover another little thing. Had a guy ask me this morning about the case. Well, I want to show you before I pull out everything. You can see here's the case here, obviously. Right here's the Evo on this side. And this side over here that's got the padding. You see this nice padding here and this padding down here. Well, there's the controller right there. And this is where it lives in this case. So, you know, I've got my Evo with the battery on it, of course, right there. Got the controller there. Now for batteries, I think this side is going to work. That this comes out and this actually kind of expands a little bit. And it's got a little bit of a space there. So I think I can put 2 or 3 batteries, which I'm getting 2 more, so that's all I need, in there. What else can I show you? You see on the shoulder strap here, you see that nice red line? I do like that. But this is the way that this fits in here, and you see you got this space, and then here in this little zipper part, this is where I keep my cables for my phone. So, you know, tablet, whatever. So anyway, let's get on to the test. Everything from here on out is going to be with just the Evo, and we're just going to fly out in this direction and see what we can get done here, okay? So see you in a second. Okay, I am now recording video with the Evo. I've got it up, not very far, just under 15 feet. So now, let me make sure. You can see there goes the gimbal down. That's it up all the way. Alright, so I'm going to fly out. I'll get up just a little bit higher. Hey, how you doing? And then I'm going to fly this thing full speed. Right now I'm at 22.3 miles an hour. Okay? And you can see I'm away from the sun. And so far, I got to tell you, I don't see any props, and this thing is full on. Okay? And I will take it out. I'm about 900 feet out right now. Let's go. There's over 1,000. We'll take it to 1,500 feet. Just to show you. And like I said, this is full on all the way, okay? 22.3 miles an hour. And right there is 1,500 feet, so I'm about 1,567, okay? Now I'll show you even. I'll turn around, okay? We'll be heading back, and you can see over here is the sun. Alright, but instead of just showing you this stuff all the time, I just wanted you to see that, you know, that's what it looks like. And you can see the horizon this way. Looks good if I spin back and forth. So I'm going to go ahead and hit return to home just to get it back over to me. So let's do that. Okay. It's taking itself up because I've got it set to go to 124 feet, I believe, is what I set it for. So it'll be making its way up to that. and then coming back to me. I've still got over 20 minutes of flight time remaining. I did charge the battery last night to full. It's telling me video link signal is weak. It's telling me to adjust antennas, but honestly my antennas are exactly as they say. Yeah, now here it is. It's right above me, okay? So now I'm gonna take it back. Okay, we're going to turn right back around, straight ahead. Now let's do this way, okay? Again, full on. Okay, let me get turn towards this barn, actually. And you can see, I mean, to me, the horizon just looks great. And here I am, 22.3 miles. So if I turn a little bit slow, you can see. Oh, now I do see a prop over there on the right. Okay. Yep, I'm definitely seeing a prop now. And then it's kind of in and out. But anyway, I'm going to turn this thing kind of fast as we're flying, just to, you know, see about the, remember, this is all about the horizon, okay? Alright, so now there I'm about 50, yeah, I'm over 1,500 feet at about 1,544. Alright. Alright, so now I'm just going to bring it back. Full on backwards, of course. We're about 1,200 feet out. Thousand feet out. I don't even think I'm going to bring it back all the way, but we'll bring it back within a few hundred feet of me. Yeah, now let's do this. I'm going to take the gimbal down. I don't see a percentage on the gimbal. Gimbal 6, okay, 6 right there. Let me see if I can get it down. Okay, that's 11%. Let me bring it back up 1%. Boy, it's touchy. That's 9%. I gotta tell you, I want to get it to 10%. There. That, man. It goes from 9 to 11. I got it on 10, but then it skips right past it. Alright, this is crazy. Alright, well, let's do this. 9% gimbal, okay? Now, again, I'm going to fly straight out as hard as I can right now. And I am flying full speed. Right there is 22.3 miles an hour. And you can see I'm flying right towards the barns again. I'm at 800 feet out. Again, we're going to take it to about 1,500 or so. You know, give or take. There's 1,000. And I don't see any props at 10%, okay? And notice the horizon. Now let's flip back and forth pretty fast. And I know this doesn't make great video, but this ain't about video even. This is, like I said, about the horizon tilt. And again, I'm staying on this thing at full tilt. Yeah, I'm at almost 1,700 feet. So there's the test. I think we're successful. Everything looks good to me. I'll take this back home, get it ready for you, upload it, and take a look at it. All right. So give me your comments down in the comment section, of course, and tell me what you think about this test. If you like it, you know, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. But please, please, please tell me why you're giving it a thumbs down. And let me know what kind of ideas you got for tests and videos that you want me to do. I've got a number that I do plan to do, but I definitely need your help. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and hit home on this thing. You know, go home. And there it is. I'll stop recording it. And I will see you on the next video. Take care.